With over 200 devices in our smart home, there's pretty much nothing in our house that we can't control from our phone. But there's always been one thing that's eluded me: the toilet. Or more accurately, our bidet. That is until now, because Bio Bidet has sent me their new app-controlled bidet. Installing this bidet is just as easy as others. Install the T-adapter on your toilet water supply, remove your old seat, and install the mounting base. The bidet then snaps into place and you can connect the water supply between the adapter and the seat. Then all that's left is to plug it into power. Now let me show you all how this app-controlled bidet works. When your cheeks hit the seat, it starts the connection to the app on your phone. Inside the app, you have a row of buttons across the top that control the settings. You have your rear wash, your front wash, turbo wash, dryer, and underneath those you have all your individual settings like water temperature, seat temperature, water pressure, dryer temperature, nozzle position, oscillation, on and on. You can adjust all those things pretty much the same as you can on the remote that comes with the bidet. So you're probably asking, well, what's the point of the app? You see that star in the upper right? That's your presets. And this basically is a way that Bemis sets up all those manual actions to happen automatically back to back with certain time frames. So they give you some of these preset already in here ready to go. You have options like clean up and go, nice and toasty, or probably the most unfortunate, tummy upset. And each of these has certain actions that it runs through automatically. So for example, the tummy upset one, it's going to go through different rear washes 4 times and 2 sets of drying actions. Now, probably the most normal one, something like clean up and go, is a quick wash and a dry. And you can also create your own in here in the Bemis app. So these presets are kind of like automations for cleaning your undercarriage. So now the question is it worth it? Well, here's the thing. This model from Bemis is the Bio Bidet BB1200. There's another model, the BD1000, that has the exact same features as this one, just no app, and they're the exact same retail price. So I'm thinking, when you're sitting on the toilet, we all know you're going to be on your phone anyway. Might as well get the one that connects to your phone.